Hello, how are you today?
Hi there, John. I'm doing pretty well. What about you?
I'm good too, thanks for asking. How's your week been?
It's been busy but good. I've been working on a project for school.
Nice, what's the project about?
It's a research paper on climate change. It's been really interesting but also a lot of work.
I can imagine. Climate change is such an important topic.
Yeah, definitely. How about you, John? What have you been up to?
Not much, just trying to stay on top of my work and enjoy the nice weather when I can.
That sounds nice. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm actually going on a hiking trip with some friends. I'm really looking forward to it.
That sounds like fun. I hope you have a great time.
Thanks. What about you, Emma? Any plans?
I'm going to visit my family for a few days. It's been a while since I've seen them, so I'm really looking forward to it.
That sounds like a nice trip. Have a safe journey.
Thanks, I will. Well, I should probably get going. It was nice catching up with you.
Yeah, it was. Have a great day.
You too.